it's Oa and welcome back to my channel for another video, and today is a house tour, kind of. I wanted to show you guys how we made my house accessible for a wheelchair. If you are new to my channel, hi, I have multiple chronic illnesses. I am paralyzed from the waist down and also from my left arm. So I am in this, it's here. So I'm in this handy dandy wheelchair, and I have actually two because we have a two-story house. But I'm just gonna show you guys a couple ways that we made the house more accessible. And I'm gonna be starting with my room. If you want to see like a little bit more details on my room, I have a complete room tour on my channel, as well as a room makeover. Also, a little disclaimer, this video is pre-filmed. I am normally should be admitted to the hospital for a 3-week stay soon. I don't know when, but I will have to be admitted to try and get my arm moving again, because it's only been paralyzed for a month and a half and we need to get it moving. So I am pre-filming a couple videos just to be safe and still have content for you guys when I'm gone. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So the first thing is my room. So don't mind how messy it is. I didn't clean it. Have not been doing so well, so I didn't bother doing that. But basically the first thing that we did is my desk. So this is a sit and stand desk, which means that the height is changeable to custom, and it's really practical for me because I don't need my, well, I need my wheelchair, but I mean I don't need another chair. I can just fit right here and work from my wheelchair and not be bothered, and it's just a lot more comfortable this way. So I just don't have to transfer all the time. And then we let everything underneath it pretty bare, except the cables. So I have the space to actually fit, because I have a pretty large wheelchair and I need to fit anywhere. Also, if you're wondering why you are so low, I have a tripod on my laps. So yeah, that's probably why. So the next thing is outlets that we did. So I have one here that has a lot of long cables, and I have one on my desk, so I can use them wherever I need them. I also have this handy, it's a shower thing that you can put normally in your shower, but I have all of my creams and lotions and everything to ease any kind of pain. And then inside of my wardrobe, we organized it so it would be easier for me to use. So basically, sorry for the shaking. Ooh, sorry. So basically what we did is put at the bottom everything that I use every single day. So currently it's the winter clothes, and then I have all the hangs in here, and I need help if I want to grab anything from this. It's too high for me. But we have all of the winter gears here, and then when it's another season, we just put the clothes from that one in here, so we rotate between, so I always have access to what I need. Okay, next up is the hallway. I'm not gonna go in the other rooms like my parents, my brothers, because they were not changed in any way. So I'm not gonna show that because there's really no reason to. So I'm in the hall. Sorry, it's kind of echoing here. But so right behind me is my bedroom. This door is my brother's, and in front of me you have the office and my parents' bedroom. as well as their bathroom, and then here is my bathroom, which I will go to in a second. But what I wanted to show you is this. So as I said, we are onto a two-story house, and this is a powered electric chair that does stairs. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see the railing. So basically you have the whole railing going down the stairs and it moves along with it. I will show you guys how it works when I have to go downstairs in a little bit. And then next to it we had to put this wooden box. I don't know how to call it. Technically it's a storage bin, but it was custom made because the chair is actually too high for me to do any transfer by myself. So we know someone that did that for us so that I can transfer onto this. So basically I do a double transfer, and I normally have my wheelchair on the other side, so I come here and then transfer back into my wheelchair. So yeah, it's a little bit it's a little weird, but yeah. Also, those are puppy gates behind me. I have a puppy, but we had them from when she was a little bit younger, and now we are going to see the bathroom. So starting from the door, this is a sliding door, and at first it was just a regular door just like I have in my room, but the bathroom is so small that I couldn't fit in with the door because it was opening inside. So let's put the light. So basically now it opens a lot of space because it's directly into the wall. Sorry for the weird angle. So when you enter the bathroom, what we did is basically get rid of everything and change everything because I could not get into this bathroom. Basically, we have here the sink with the drawers, and it was a whole separate unit. It was a lot smaller and I just couldn't reach the sink. So we transformed it to having it on this side, like here, with nothing underneath it and a lot more storage space, and it's a lot more accessible to me, so it's a lot more practical. The only thing is, this is the mirror and you can barely see my hair because it's way too high. And we also put everything at my level, which is for me. Same for the towels. At the top is my brother's. Mine is at the bottom because obviously I'm too short. And then we have my shower chair. We are planning on getting one that is attached to the wall in the shower, but for now we have this one, which technically could be folded and put away. So that's a lot easier than obviously the toilet. Not that interesting. But the most interesting is this. So basically what we did is we had a completely glass shower. I'm gonna put you guys here. So basically, don't have a lot. Okay, gonna try like this. Okay, so basically we had a completely glass through shower, and it was raised, so I couldn't get in, and the door were only opening halfway, so there was nowhere fitting me inside. And we used to have a fold-up chair on the wall here, and we ripped everything and redid everything. And basically here now it is completely at level, so we can just put the chair and then I can transfer on it. We also have I forgot, the shower head that is detachable, so it's easier for me to grab. And we have the shampoo rack that is at my level for my stuff. So yeah, that's basically what we did for here. Oh, you can't see me. So that's basically what we did for here. Nothing crazy, we just changed everything for easier options for me. And now I'm gonna show you guys how my chair to go down the stairs work. So basically the way it works is that I'm gonna park here. So I park my wheelchair here, and then I do one transfer onto here, and I screw around to transfer back onto this one, and I then just have to push on this on the side that I want to go. So if I want to go this way, I push it this way, and if I want to go this way, I'll push it this way. Since I only have one hand, I'm not going to be able to take you through the journey, but I will check back with you guys once I'm downstairs.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired.
So now that we are downstairs, what I wanted to show you is the situation when I am at the bottom. So I am in the seat, and waiting for me is my second wheelchair, which is my outdoor wheelchair, the one I go everywhere with. The other one is an indoor one. And you can see here it has a joystick, which I can't use right now since it's on the left side. I am waiting on one for the right side though, so hopefully it will arrive. And this white thing, I put googly eyes on there, and we named it and everything. I think it was Lily, but not really sure about that. But yeah, that's my special wheelchair, and I custom made it pink so I could choose the color. And we also had the brakes changed to longer ones so they are easier for me to use as I don't have a lot of hand strength. And downstairs we have a special guest, which is Skya, which is my 1-year-old puppy. My mom is at work, and usually she just waits for her by the door, so you will see her throughout the rest of this video. And basically now we are on downstairs floor, which is our main floor, with behind me the living room, which we had to change my entire couch for me to be able to come home. So basically the situation was, after 2 months in the hospital, my insurance said that they could no longer keep me, and I had a week to come home. But I couldn't go upstairs because we didn't have the chair for me to go upstairs. So my parents had to buy an entire new couch that could do bed, and I slept on the couch for 6 weeks before we had that installed and everything else I needed. Anyways, so this is the couch that we have, but we are changing it in April because it's the worst couch possible. You also can see like a lot of dog toys. This is our covered patio area. It's really cool. I cannot access it because there is a step to it, so kind of a bummer. And then here we have the dinner table, which you probably already saw me at if you watched any of my other videos. But I'm gonna okay, so this is my place, and so you can't really see it. This is my place, and as you can see, there is no chair as I have my own. Also have my little pillow organizer, which I love, and a snack bin, because I can't reach most cabinets, so we decided to do that so that I can have access to a couple things even when everyone is gone. So now we are in the kitchen. So this is the main part of the kitchen, and then here is the part with the oven. But I wanted to share this cabinet specifically. I'm gonna put you guys on the counter here, so hopefully you'll be able to see somewhat. That was the wall. So this is my pantry, kind of. So basically we have an pantry and laundry room in the back, but I cannot get through the door because we have freezer and the washing machines right next to each other, and I can't go. So I basically couldn't go reach anything if I wanted anything. So my mom put everything that is for me here. And I mean for me because I am the only one in this family eating pretty much gluten-free, because I am sensitive to it. So I basically have everything gluten-free in here. We obviously have some in back in the pantry, but it's like mostly just like reserve or stuff we have more of than one, and everything else is in here. And then obviously we have the cups, and most of them are not even reachable for me, so it's not the best. But yeah, that's basically my little drawer. And now there's only one thing left to see, and it is the entry. So we are now in the entry of the house, so here, and also with Skyla, thinking I'm gonna go and let her on a walk, which I can't do on my own, so no. But yeah, she's convinced I'm gonna let her out. But basically where she is my little ramp to help me get out of the door, because there is a step and I can't go in and out without it. And then basically we have here those little drawers. The middle one is mine because it's at perfect height for me. And then here is the shoe. Wait, let's see if it works. Ooh, sorry for that. So here is where we put all of our shoes, and mine are right here, so at my height. And all the other ones are for my family. And then what we did to have me be more independent is this. So basically we added this little thing to have all of my coats and winter gear, so that I can actually have access to them on my own, because all of the other hooks are too high for me. And this is kind of at my height, so it's a lot easier. The really bright pink thing is for my feet. It's like a cover for your feet. And then there's obviously my coat. And then at the bottom here is where we are storing my motor for my electric powered wheelchair, which is this little thing. And yeah, it's all pink. I purposefully chose pink. So yeah. So this was my little apartment tour / how we made my house accessible. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!